Hello, welcome to Keeping It Real. I'm David Grossman. Good to be here Sunday morning on the alltalktv.com network here at the kiosk at Dufferin and Steeles. As I've mentioned to you before, we are looking for a new location, for new space. We want to be connected. I have Dr. Rad here with me at the table. Welcome. Good morning, Dr. Rad.
Good morning, David.
He's back with us again today, and we're going to be talking about detox. But first, I'm just going to tell you where we're going. All Talk TV, we want to move into a public venue, somewhere connected to a food establishment or something like that, where there's going to be a lot of traffic. We thought it'd be sort of like a yucks kind of idea, where people can come in and take in shows. We have a live audience. People can step up to the microphone, ask questions. That's the idea. So we're looking to move. We've been here for 2 years now, Dr. Rad, and it's time to move on.
That's right.
That's the way it goes. Anyway, welcome, Dr. Rad. Happy New Year. Great to have you here. Let me tell you what we have going on today. Dr. Rad is here to talk about detox. We've all heard about detox. Do you need to detox? Why would you need to detox? How do you do it? What are the benefits? We're going to learn all about that. Also, we have Sharon Shilmover. She is a mortgage specialist with Mortgage Center, and she has been doing mortgages for close to 15 years now, and she really knows her stuff. We're going to focus on A-lending. We've talked, and A-lending is, of course, for people who do qualify at the bank. But why would they want to go to a mortgage broker, a mortgage specialist who's not an employee of the bank? We're going to find out, and we're going to find out what's happening in the A-lending market. Okay, and A is, of course, bank or credit union type of customer. B lending is where you don't qualify at a bank. You might have to look to private funds or alternative. She can probably talk to us about that too. And then we have Joe White. Joe White is a master business coach, and he is called the Franchise Rainmaker. So if you are looking for a business and you want to make it rain and you want to find a business that is going to be well suited to you, Joe is the guy that can help you. He represents, I believe, over 60 different franchises, and he's going to help you find the right one for you. That's the plan for today. So let's turn to Dr. Rad. Let's talk about detox. Dr. Rad, first of all, what is detox?
Detox or detoxification, there are many different methods to detoxify. And why we need to detoxify, the main reason is because we are in contact, we are getting in toxic material 24 hours a day. Even when we are sleeping, we are getting toxified. From outside to inside, from inside to inside.
Where do all these toxins come from?
It's very easy. Any perfume you use, any moisturizer, any beauty supplies.
How about deodorant?
Deodorants, all of them. They
Doesn't it have like metals in it and things like that?
They have heavy metals, they have aluminum, they have mercury, they have lead, and many other. They add in there.
Suntan lotion?
All toxic.
Right.
All of them, they are toxic. So we get even ladies, young ladies, they are using beauty supplies, they are using makeup material, and they don't know that how cheap they pay for makeup material or beauty supplies, that much they make themselves toxic. Just one example, then I move ahead. I will talk about free seminars coming up.
Yes, there is a free seminar, where you're going to go into full detail.
Yeah.
That's on Wednesday, January the 16th at 6:30 p.m. at the Bloor Jewish Community Center, which is located at Spadina and Bloor. We'll put your phone number up on the screen because people should be calling
Call and
your
register.
office
We
to
have a
reserve a
limited
spot.
seat. Yeah.
Right.
Now, very simple. Lipstick.
Lipstick.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was talking to a young lady a few days ago, was telling that I'm using the most expensive one because it lasts longer and so on. I said, that is the mistake. If it lasts longer, that means there is more additive in there, mostly lead.
Right.
Okay. And any heavy metal, any toxic metal, they are using in beauty supplies and makeup material.
And what about food?
Oh, that's a different story. That's why I'm telling you that 24 hours a day, whatever we eat, we have fertilizer, we have pesticide inside, we have lots of hormones in animal products, we have So the point is this: we have to be healthy. To have to be healthy means we have to have a really, really strong immune system. And immune system is nothing just whole body. Whole body is immune system. And each organ, each cell, each system is a part of immune system. Immune system is not something strange and doesn't have any specific definition. Just immune system, body defense system, which is a series of bioenergy and biochemistry that's going on in our body to keep us healthy. Now, toxic, there are other material, they come in, they make people sick. People, they suffer from headache, migraine headache, and insomnia, disturbed sleep, anxiety, constipation, and so on. They don't know where are they coming from.
Right.
But they are coming from accumulation of toxic material, slowly, gradually, until disease happens.
Right. We have some of the signs that you need a detox. We can put them on the screen here. Constipation, stubborn weight loss. So if you have trouble losing weight.
Yeah.
But it's not. But detox is not only for people who are overweight.
No, detox is for everybody. All of us, we are toxified.
We're all
even
exposed
myself.
to these things.
But I do maintenance to my health by exercising physically, mentally, whatever is needed to be done. So therefore, I inform you that I don't remember the last time when I got sick.
So
Okay.
and consistent headaches.
Ongoing disease, any symptom which is going on more than 6 weeks is called
Right.
chronic.
Acne, rosacea, eczema, consistent use of, what are NSAIDs? What does that stand for? Ibuprofen or acetaminophen?
Yeah, they are material drug that people they use for painkiller or as a muscle relaxant or anti-inflammatory. All of them, they are toxic again. So we don't need any.
I know there are people that take those things almost on a daily basis.
Most of them who's suffering from ongoing headache learn just to take medication every single day. Person is allergic to something, doesn't know where it's coming from, knows that is related to spring and seasonal allergies or whatever. They take over-content medication. They don't realize that in the long run they are accumulating toxin, and one day will be big explosion.
Well, we were talking about this last time when you were on the show, how pharmaceutical companies, and the food companies too. I mean, they're just trying, their objective is to sell more food. They put preservatives in food so the food can last longer in the stores.
They don't lose business.
Right, so there's chemicals in the food, and they want people to eat more of them. It's all about the money. So there's all kinds of chemicals and toxins in our environment.
I will bring up in my seminar. I mean, workshop is not seminar, it's workshop. I will bring all my PowerPoint and show some video about how pharmaceutical company they use some heavy metals, toxic material in order to preserve their own business and keep going, and they don't care about you and me. I swear to God, they won't.
Right.
Even FDA proves that they add adjuvant in vaccines. Adjuvants, they are heavy metals. They add in there to potentize the effect of vaccine, and they don't know that how much they could be dangerous and may toxify all nervous system, all organs, and so on.
Right.
So it's really mixed up. I don't want to say messed up medical field, and people, they go with all medication, and they don't know that they have in their own, they have such a power, such a system, they can produce any medicine, any remedy, any substance which is necessary to keep them healthy. In other words, our body has their own doctors, specialists, and all type of pharmacy, medicine necessary in order to keep the person healthy. But we have to do maintenance to our health
Clear out some of the poison.
Yeah.
Right. We think that we've come so far with modern medicine, but a lot of the stuff we take is what's poisoning us.
Yeah. Me too. I don't want to blame on everybody just except myself. we are educated, we are taught, we are adopted this way, we learn, we are programmed to follow up pharmaceutical company. Prescription medication, doctor prescribes, he doesn't know more than that. I don't say he doesn't know at all. Yeah, is certified, is very well, let's say, knowledgeable about what he's doing, but he does not go to find out the side effect of medications. Just what pharmaceutical company says, he follows that. And this is the way it's happening. Yeah. That's why we have almost 75% of North American, they are suffering from non-diagnosed depression. They don't know why they are depressed. And constipation is going on for years and years. Just take how do you call it? Over-the-counter laxative, and go ahead. They don't know that colon cancer is waiting for them. They don't know that colitis, ulcerative colitis, or any related disease waiting for them. And when it happens, they go for, and then.
So you want to enable the body's natural ability to heal itself, to cure itself. We have another slide here which talks about some of the improvements that you get through detox. Emotional balance, mental clarity, improved digestions, glowing skin, abundant energy, and perfect weight.
People who are putting on weight constantly, patients, they come to me for detox. Most of them, they are over natural limit, let's say overweight. And they say, complain that I have done many methods, but weight comes back again. I say weight comes back, number one, because the method was not suitable for you. Number two, you have to do maintenance. What does mean maintenance? They don't know. They are happy. When their weight is lost and in good shape, they keep beautiful pictures of them as a last, let's say, memory of their being tiny and sexy and beautiful. And then after 2-3 weeks, they put on weight, and then they fed up and they get depressed. And why I cannot keep down my weight? Because your body, your system is producing toxin. I said inside toxin produced by digestive system and mental system. So there are two important systems I emphasize must be clean, must be above 85% functional, physiological, is digestive system and mind system, or let's say nervous system, which is related to mind.
Right. So if people go to this seminar this week, Wednesday, January 13th at 6:30, they can get more information on this. You're going to take them through a full presentation.
Lots of information, lots of presentation.
Dr. Rad's immune system booster and detoxification program eliminates harmful toxins, restores your system, and resets your body. So you'll want to check that out. This week, Wednesday, January 16th, 6:30, Bloor Jewish Community Center at Spadina and Bloor. Call his office. The phone number is 416-535-8034. Is there anything you want to add before we move on?
No, if you have any.
Call Dr. Rad with that or any other health concerns. He will help you out. I've seen him myself personally a little while ago, and very helpful, very fine gentleman. We're going to be back in just a minute with Sharon Shumover talking about the A lending market. So hang in there. Be right back.